Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to do something different. Instead of makeup, I wanted to test out a beauty tool. So I'm going to be testing out a ceramic brush. If you guys want to see how that all works out, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just going to be starting off with unboxing the box, and it came in, let's see, it came in this box, and it's from Vanity Planet. So I'm just going to unbox it. I mean, I've opened the box, but I haven't opened and see how it looks inside yet. So I guess this is the packaging of the brush. It's the VP Flow Ceramic Straightening Brush on the front. And then let's see, let's open it. The sticker off. Okay, and then on the inside it says VP for Vanity Planet, and it says, hey, they're good looking, here's a little something to help you step up your beauty game. That's cute. So I guess it's just pretty easy to use, not that hard. So I'm just gonna plug it in and I'll be right back. Okay, so what comes in the box is this Vanity Planet handbook. So it has the name of it in the front, so Flow Ceramic Straightening Brush. I guess I don't need to read much of this because, I mean, it's pretty easy to use. But we'll read the instructions. So number 1, plug in your Flow Ceramic Straightening Brush and turn it on. Number 2, use a standard brush to run through your hair while your flow heats up. Number 3, brush through your hair slowly with the flow, moving either over, under, or both. Number 4, style your hair as you wish, straighten or even add waves by flipping the brush at your ends. Number 5, turn off your flow and unplug it from the socket, allowing the place to cool before storing. Okay, so I have already plugged in the flow, and this is just how it looks like. So it's very like simple. It's super cute. I like the style of it and how it says Vanity Planet on the front. Like, I can feel it getting hot right now. But as we're waiting, I'm just gonna part my hair I'm gonna brush through my hair first. And next, I'm gonna go in with my, I think this is how you say it, agave healing oil. It's an oil treatment for your hair. It helps it heal. Recently, I have been using this pretty often, and I noticed that it gives my hair all bunch of shine. So I like that about it. You guys should go check them out on Instagram. I'll have their Instagram linked below. But yeah, I've seen this improve my hair a lot, and it just gives it really nice shine without making, I don't know, I just feel like it doesn't make it look greasy but shiny, you know what I mean? But yeah, I like using this oil every time before I straighten my hair. Okay, so next I'm gonna spray my hair with this thermal protection spray. I just spray it all over my hair first, and then I go over it again when with every piece that I'm straightening. Oh, and this is how the thermal protector looks like. It's from Paul Mitchell. I usually always use this every time I straighten my hair. So now I'm just gonna part my hair in 2. So now I'm just gonna grab one of my hair ties and tie the other half, so it doesn't get in the way. I just absolutely hate how my hair gets like poofy. It's so annoying. It sucks when you have curly hair and it just happens. Okay, so next I'm just gonna cut this piece in half, and I'm gonna tie this up. Okay, so now that it's done heating up and I have my hair up and ready and parted and ready to go, I just want to talk about the bristles real quick. I see, like, with the bristles, it can help add more volume to your hair, so that's good. That's why I'm excited to use this, because every time I use a flat iron, it always leaves my hair so flat. But with this brush, I feel like it's definitely gonna leave more volume, and it'll add a healthy shine. So yeah, I'm just gonna start by brushing this out. Let's see. Ooh, I like this. So I think the most degrees that it gets heated up to is, let's see, I think it's 370 degrees. But I think I'm gonna put it all the way up because since my hair is so thick, it always needs so much heat to straighten. It sucks, but that's just how my hair is. And also, like with the bristles, it helps reduce the static and frizziness. This is what I read. So I'm excited to see if that works. Let's see. Gosh, my hair itches so bad. I recently got my ears pierced and I got my cartilage piercing. And this one, it just doesn't stop itching. And since this has bristles, it helps evenly distribute the heat into your hair so you can get that healthy shine. So that's what I like about it. Because with the since usually flat irons, like they heat up to 400, let's see, 400, 500 degrees, I think. But with this one, it heats up to 370 degrees and it still straightens my hair very well and pretty quick too. So it won't do as much heat damage as a flat iron would. So, because I usually rarely straighten my hair just because I try not to add, and I try not to damage my hair too much either. So, I mean, I feel like with this ceramic brush, hopefully it's not going to burn my hair as much as a normal straightener would. Ooh, I'm liking this. Oh yeah, I definitely like this. And it definitely, no, I like it. See, I really like how this is leaving my hair just because I have thick hair and I feel like it just, and usually it's like, it feels rough. It's usually never soft. But with it, I feel like with it, with the straightener, it like leaves it super, yeah, it leaves it super soft. I like this brush a lot. I'll probably end up using this more often now just because I feel like it would be more healthy on my hair too than with a flat iron. Oh, and I also recently got my nails done. I am absolutely in love with them. Look at them, y'all. Look at them. They're so freaking beautiful. If they even zoom it. Let's see. Never mind. And I noticed that like with a flat iron, like you can even like once I put like once I touch my hair after using right after I put down the flat iron, I noticed that it's super hot. And like with this brush, it's not, like, even burns my hand too, but no, this one leaves it like, it's not it doesn't leave your hair hot, like burning like a flat iron does. And I feel like it's going by really fast, like straightening my hair. I feel like it's a lot faster. I don't know why. And I'm also getting more used to talking to the camera. I know I've been like having trouble and stuff, but now I feel like it's a lot easier. Sorry, I'm just getting comfortable in my chair. But yeah, anyways, like I feel like it's a lot easier for me now. I'm getting more used to it and I just need to get more confident. Like there was just so many, like there's still rude comments like on my Jaclyn Hill, what's it called, that tutorial, like using her new palette. There were so many hateful comments. I'm just like surprised. Like someone's like commented like, just don't talk, and I'm like, okay, what the fuck. And either way, like it's just whatever. But it just pissed me off how like people, you know, say rude things and stuff instead of like giving, you know, positive feedback, and no one gives any positive. I mean, most of my comments were positive feedback, and I truly appreciate that, but people would just come off so rude. I'm like, why are you on my page? Just don't comment if you're gonna be rude, you know? Because I don't know, some people just took it too far with my ums and stuff, but I'm working on it. This literally took me like 15 minutes. What the heck? That was so fast. And obviously with my baby hairs, there's like no way this is gonna straighten them. So I have like a small straightener, and I always like go like this to my baby hairs, because my baby hairs, they're just so annoying. Like there's no way, like, yeah, they're just hard to work with. But I know, like, if you have, I'm jealous to the people who have soft baby hairs, because they don't struggle with, I struggle with mine every day. Like I have to wear a headband like right after I shower so I can flatten my baby hairs down. It just sucks. Okay, so next I'm just gonna finish the other half of my hair with the brush, and just because I don't want to do it on camera, I feel like that'll be a super long video, and I'm not gonna do that because my hair, like, since I have thick hair, it usually overall takes me an hour to straighten it. That's why I barely even do straighten it. But I'm pretty impressed with how fast this was. This literally took me like 15 minutes. Usually it takes me like 25 minutes to finish half of my hair, but this took me 15 minutes, so that's pretty awesome. And it's pretty nice. It's like you're brushing your hair, but at the same time as you're straightening it, which is nice. But yeah, so I'm just gonna finish the other half of my hair, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I did half of my hair, and I was pretty impressed by the ceramic brush. I was happy with it. Usually like half of my hair takes 25 minutes. This time it took 15, so I'm super happy about that. So I would highly recommend this brush. I was very impressed by it. Basically half of all my hair took me 30 minutes. Usually it takes me 45 minutes to an hour, so I give this a 10 out of 10, and I'm super happy with it. This is something I'm probably going to be using very often, because usually with a normal flat iron, it takes forever to straighten my hair. But yeah, I didn't even put my extensions in either, just because I didn't notice how long my hair got, because I usually never straighten my hair, but it's gotten super long and I did not notice that, so I didn't put my extensions in. And also, if you guys wondering about my makeup, a video for this look will be up either before or after, but either way, like, I really like the ceramic brush. And if you guys want to purchase it, and I have a code, it's KKFlow in all caps, and you can save yourself 50% off if you purchase it. But yeah, this is it for the video. I hope you guys liked watching this video. If you guys want to see more of me like testing out products besides doing makeup, then please let me know in the comments below. But yeah, if you guys have any suggestions or anything like that, just also let me know. So yeah, and also before you leave, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.